Hello there. Today I bring to you a very damaged box, as you can see. And as soon as I saw this package arrive in this condition, I feared for my precious hardcover books inside because I've been meaning to collect this series since last year and I wanted it to be pristine. But fret not, you'll see the bits and pieces of the corners of the books damaged. The rest is all fine. So let's get a view of all the book covers and then we'll take a look inside each of the books. They are the size of a normal manga, I would say, definitely smaller in dimensions as compared to the Clover Collector's Edition, which was bigger and thicker, and of course, it was all collected in one single edition. I shared the unboxing and inside look for that one in my other video, which I'll link at the end of this one. Let's start with Chobits 1. As you can see, the corners are quite damaged, and I'm very sad about that. The way these books are packaged is each book contains 2 volumes of manga. Each volume starts with color pages, followed by a regular manga pages. The pages are very white and thick, which is again similar to the pages of Clover Collector's Edition. Now it's minor, but there are some visuals that might hint at a certain plot twist. Be careful as you continue to view the inside pages as I'm showing them if you want to avoid any spoilers. At the end of each book is a gallery of amazing, vibrant artwork, which I am in love with. I always love colored pages and special artwork pages that are added to these collector editions of manga, and I will admit that it is one of the main reasons which makes me buy them to add to my manga collection. Also, feel free to speed up the video to a pace that's comfortable for your viewing experience. I know there is an anime for Chobits, but I have not watched it because I wanted to read the full story in manga form. And for now, I do not have the urge to watch the anime. Maybe someday I will, but let me know in the comments if you've watched it and if you enjoyed it. I've already read all these four editions by the time of uploading this video, and I have to say that I absolutely loved the characters and the story. I love how emotions are expressed in Clamp's manga, and I got the same melancholic vibe from Chobits which I felt while reading Clover. I also love the poetic way some elements are written and described. It definitely touches your heart, and I'm a total fan of this series. This is one of my favorite artwork. I just love the green color used. This one as well, I just love the pink that's used and the way it's been matched with the white. I just love it. This one is definitely a manga worth having in your collection, and I would highly recommend buying these 20th anniversary editions. Let me know in the comments what you think about Chobits. If you watched the anime or read the manga, I would love to hear your thoughts. This one is also one of my very favorite artworks of this whole manga series. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.